Imagine for a second. You wake up tomorrow morning, look out the window, and see a second star shining in the daytime sky. No, this isn't science fiction. It's Betelgeuse, and it could literally explode at any moment, creating the greatest astronomical spectacle humanity has witnessed in over 400 years. And the most impressive part? We are the generation that could witness this. Get ready to discover why this moment could be more epic than any Hollywood movie. Did you know there's a gigantic star up there that is literally dying at this very moment? Betelgeuse, this red supergiant located 600 light-years away, has been behaving completely strangely in recent years. It's blinking, dimming in brightness, then exploding in luminosity again, like a cosmic heart in its final beats. Astronomers are literally watching the vital signs of a dying star in real time. But what makes Betelgeuse so special? This star was born with more than 15 times the mass of our Sun. Imagine this. While our Sun is like a candle burning slowly for billions of years, Betelgeuse is like an uncontrolled fire, a true cosmic glutton that devours its nuclear fuel at an absurd speed. The result? It produces more than 100,000 times more energy than the Sun. It's like comparing a flashlight with a giant spotlight. And this energetic difference is sealing its fate irreversibly. And here's the crucial point. This energetic party can't last forever. Betelgeuse is exhausted, and the instability signs we observe are like the final gasps of a dying giant. Astronomers have detected strange variations in its brightness, irregular pulsations, and even episodes where it practically disappeared from the night sky for weeks. It's as if it's trying to warn us about what's coming. Now comes the really fascinating part. When Betelgeuse finally explodes, and this could happen today, tomorrow, or in the next 100,000 years, what we'll see depends on how much mass it still possesses. If it has between 10 and 15 solar masses, we'll witness a spectacular supernova that will create a neutron star. But if it maintains more than 20 solar masses, something even more dramatic will happen. It will collapse directly into a black hole, and paradoxically, we might see almost nothing. Nature sometimes plays cruel tricks on us like this. But let's focus on the most likely and spectacular scenario. When Betelgeuse explodes as a supernova, it will reach the combined brightness of more than 500 billion suns. 500 billion! This means it will be visible during the day, shining alongside the Sun like a second star in the blue sky. It will possibly be the brightest supernova ever witnessed by modern humanity. Imagine explaining this to your children. Remember when we had 2 stars in the sky during the day? And here comes a recent discovery that makes everything even more intriguing. Scientists have proposed a theory called Beetle Buddy, suggesting that Betelgeuse may have formed from a stellar collision. Imagine 2 stars colliding in deep space, creating this cosmic monster we observe today. This theory would explain why Betelgeuse has such strange rotation and why its pulsations are so irregular. It's as if it forever carries the scars of this ancestral collision. But Betelgeuse isn't the only star that's catching astronomers' attention. There's another fascinating system called T Coronae Borealis, located 2,600 light-years away. This is a recurrent nova that explodes every 80 years like a cosmic clock. And guess what? It's late for its next explosion. Scientists believe it could happen at any moment, offering another astronomical spectacle visible to the naked eye. 2 cosmic shows for the price of 1, folks. And if you think this is already impressive, get ready to discover exactly where we are in the universe. Our solar system isn't floating in ordinary space void. We are inside what astronomers call the local hot bubble, a region of hot and rarefied gas created by supernovas that exploded between 10 and 14 million years ago. It's as if we were living inside the shockwave of ancient stellar explosions. Our cosmic neighborhood has a much more violent history than we imagined. Recently, scientists discovered something even stranger, a tunnel-shaped structure within this bubble, pointing directly toward the constellation Centaurus. Nobody knows exactly what it is, but it appears to be a cosmic corridor sculpted by stellar winds and supernova explosions. It's as if the universe had built a space highway right under our noses. And here's a theory that might sound like science fiction, but it's real science. Some researchers believe that primordial black holes, tiny remnants from the Big Bang, could be flying through our solar system at this very moment. These objects would be so small they would go unnoticed, but powerful enough to explain mysterious events like the Tunguska explosion in 1908. Imagine invisible cosmic visitors regularly crossing our space backyard. Scientists are using the precision of Mars's orbit to detect possible gravitational perturbations caused by these primordial black holes. It's like using the red planet as a giant cosmic detector. Every small deviation in the Martian orbit could reveal the passage of one of these gravitational ghosts. But perhaps the most impressive discovery is the identification of V4641 Sagittarii, a microquasar located 20,000 light-years away. This system is producing photons with energy of 200 tera-electron volts, an energy so absurd it challenges our current understanding about the origin of cosmic rays in our galaxy. It's like discovering there's a natural particle accelerator working in our galactic neighborhood. What does all this mean? We're living in a golden age of astronomy where extraordinary discoveries happen almost daily. Betelgeuse could treat us to the greatest cosmic spectacle of our lives, but even if it doesn't explode so soon, the universe around us is full of extraordinary phenomena waiting to be discovered. Each new observation rewrites our understanding about the cosmos. The next time you look at the night sky, remember, you're not just observing distant points of light. You're witnessing a cosmic symphony in constant movement, where stars are born, live their dramatic lives, and die in spectacular explosions that shape the very fabric of space-time. We are privileged spectators of the universe's greatest show, and who knows, maybe tomorrow we'll wake up to discover that Betelgeuse decided to treat us to the show of our lives. Until then, we continue observing, discovering, and marveling at the infinite surprises our universe has to offer. The cosmic adventure has barely begun, and we have front-row seats. If you were as fascinated as I was with these cosmic discoveries, don't forget to leave that like on the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any news about the mysteries of the universe. And since we're talking about stellar explosions, how about watching one of the videos that are appearing on your screen now? I'm sure you'll love discovering even more cosmic secrets. Until the next space exploration, folks.